Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double barber, a border and butta collection, thin border, with excellent copper jerry work, the most demanded and most trending copper jerry work sarees. We have a very beautiful pastel shade color, light turquoise with gold shade, beautiful one. You can see the copper jerry buttas. Buttas are excellently done using the copper jerry, dull finish copper. You can see a very beautiful chakra design buttas. And this is a handloom saree, beautifully handcrafted with thin border. Pallu color. The pallu color is a pink and mild pink shades there on orange, but mostly orange. You can see the same designs incorporated in the pallu, the chakras. You can see the plain blouse piece. Combination is very attractive. Dark versus pastel with all the ticks. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double barku. The borderless, a thin border collection with contrast pallu and blouse piece. Copper jerry work sarees with a dark finish body, a purple color, beautiful dark finish color. You can see the copper jerry work on it with a thin border in blue. The copper jerry is dazzling and beautiful on this color, a dark color. And we have a very contrast Ananda blue color. Pallu have again chakra design, matching design for the pallu, completely in copper jerry with plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. You can see the combination, it's a dark combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double barku, borderless collection, a thin border is associated with the saree. A very beautiful combination color here, bright and excellent, ever-loving combination. Royal blue, bright royal blue color. You can see the thin borders in peach. And we have a excellent copper jerry work, dull finish copper buttas here, completely handcrafted saree with a very bright peach color, pink and orange mixed color. It's a very beautiful color, and you can see the butta design completely in copper, and we have a plain blouse piece. Combination is extremely good with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double barku. The borderless concept with copper jerry work, a trendy copper jerry sarees here. The pastel color shade, a beautiful lavender and pink mixed color. Excellent shade, very rare color with copper jerry work buttas, a mild and dull finish copper, pure copper buttas. And we have a borderless concept and a pastel tussar color, mild green mixed half white color. The color also have copper jerry work, floral pattern. We have a very plain. The pallu tassels are already made. The combination is beautiful and rare. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double barku, borderless collection. Very trendy copper jerry work in the buttas and pallu. Very beautiful saree, pastel shade, sea green color, excellent combination. Gold shade, excellent shade. You can see the copper jerry buttas, mild dull finish copper jerry work, excellently made one, more copper, borderless concept. And we have a blue color pallu, dark royal blue with copper jerry work. Copper jerry work, a trendy copper, excellent design, pastel color, a sandal mix, half white color, with excellent copper jerry work. This copper, beautiful on this pastel shade, and you can see the contrast, dark and bright color, candy pink and orange mixed color, very bright and beautiful color for the pastel shade. Beautiful goldish look for the saree, with dusky gold with authentic silk. Jerry work, very beautiful color saree, dark versus pastel, purple color, dark purple, whitish purple color saree here. It's a copper jerry work buttas, very beautifully weaved copper jerry, pure one, dull finish copper. You can see the finish in the saree outcome, completely handcrafted with borderless concept, and we have the pastel color, mild green mixed half white color, the pastel combination. You can see the pallu design, completely copper jerry used here. Beautiful combo with all these. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, the borderless collection with a beautiful combination colors. Jerry work. Most wanted color, regular and traditional combination. Magenta pink color saree, and you can see the copper jerry work. Excellently done. Mild dull finish copper, original copper jerry. Model is concept. And we have a dark royal blue color. Pallu also have the same copper jerry work. Very beautifully done. The pallu tassels already made, and we have a plain blouse piece in contrast pallu color. Beautiful one. A traditional combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless collection with copper jerry, trendy design sarees. Very beautiful color combinations too. Rare collection. Light brown color saree with mild gold finish. Very beautiful one, and the buttas are very beautifully done. Handcrafted saree with copper jerry finish. You can see the jerry. It's a pure copper and dull finish work. Excellent one. And we have a very contrast, bright pink color, mild orangey pink color, and we have the same copper jerry work in the pallu with plain blouse piece. Combination is very rare and beautiful color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless collection with copper jerry finish. A very beautiful, excellent design saree. You can see the buttas, excellently crafted, and the color is also very beautiful. The copper jerry finish is looking perfect on the dark algae green color, a passy color, check. And we have a beautifully borderless concept given for the saree. A perfectly handmade saree with a very dark, beautiful, vibrant pink. It's a candy pink, and you can see the jerry work, completely copper jerry used even in the pallus, and we have a plain blouse piece here. The pallu tassels are already made. Combination is beautiful and attractive with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless collection in very beautiful copper jerry work. A beautiful and dull finish copper. You can see the excellent, beautifully weaved buttas in copper jerry. You can see the original copper jerry here with a very beautiful lavender color base of the saree. A trendy and most wanted color now. And we have the excellent design buttas. Completely handcrafted saree with a very contrast pallu on a big and candy sweet pink color with same designs incorporated in the pallu, and we have the same copper jerry used for the pallu as well. And we have a plain blouse piece. Combination is very sweet. The ladies love both lavender and pink with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. Thin border collection with a very trendy copper jerry work sarees. An excellent sandal mixed half white color, beautiful shade, pastel one. The ever trendy and ever beautiful color with thin border in orange, and we have a copper jerry work finish buttas. Even the complete saree with the pallu work is also done in copper jerry. A beautiful contrast combination for the pallu. Very beautiful orange mixed with pink, mostly orange color, peach color pallu, and we have a plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, and the combination is very beautiful with authentic silk. you.